About a year ago, I had my roof redone. David Griffith of Premium RV Roofing did my job. And if he did your roof, then this video is for you. It's been a year and I noticed this little crinkle. It's right across from the air conditioner. So I wonder if that has something to do with it. It's very rare, according to the manufacturer, for this to happen. But he's in Missouri, and even though it comes with a lifetime warranty, he's not here and I'm not there. So he gave me instructions on how to handle this, and I thought I'd make this video in case you needed to do something similar. The items you're gonna need to repair this type of roof is you're gonna need a box cutter with a sharp razor blade, some rags. I also have a paper towel to put the rags in after I'm done with them, some denatured alcohol. You're gonna need Eternabond micro sealant roof and leak repair tape. You're also going to need some Eternabond Eterna Prime. They make other products that are similar, so be careful that you buy the right one. And some rubber gloves. You'll also want a roller like this. You can purchase them at the hardware store or on Amazon, but I don't have time to go to the store today. I'm kind of far away, so I'm just going to use this socket. I'm going to roll it. This is to adhere the tape at the end. It's probably a good idea to clean the whole roof first, and I was going to do that, but it's going to rain soon and I want to just make the repair. So I'm not going to do that this time. I'm going to clean the roof after the fact. First thing I'm going to do is take up to the roof my sprayer and just kind of rough clean it. I ordered some of the recommended cleaner, but it didn't come from Amazon yet, so I'm just going to use water for today because it's going to rain tomorrow, so I want to get this repair done as soon as possible. So I put my sprayer and a rag in a bag, and I'm going to walk up the roof and just give it a clean. Going to use denatured alcohol. That's all clean. Want to look for the area that's loose. Very carefully, just score the top. You just don't want to break, you just don't want to damage the membrane. So I'm going to do this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Very carefully pull that off. There we go. That we didn't, it was just this area that was a little more. I think I'm going to take that off too. So we make sure to get all the part that's been lifted off. We're going to take more of our denatured alcohol and we're going to clean this all out really well. Get all that dirt out of there. All right, so I think I need to get all this adhesive off of here. I'm very grateful for David being willing to tell me how to do this. All right, so now we've got that cleaned. Now we're going to use the Eternal Prime to prime the area that we're going to put the new tape on. Once you apply this, you want to leave it on for about 15 minutes before you add the tape. It can be longer than 15 minutes. It is a primer and surface conditioner intended to aid in the adhesion of the tapes. It says on the packaging that it'll be ready for the tape after 1 minute. Shake well before use. Be sure to read the directions. If you don't want any residue, you can put some masking tape on the areas that you don't want it, but yet. David said it's not necessary. It's best to apply 2 light coats.
Because it's so dry here, I'm giving it an extra.
Okay. I'm gonna put it upside down and clean it out. Do not use gloves for this part of the project. They will stick to the tape. I'm gonna save these little pieces of plastic to keep the edges secure. I'll probably put this in a Ziploc bag when I'm done. Oh, there's another piece of tape on here holding it together. There's a piece of plastic on here that you will remove right before you attach it, so you can touch it and decide how big you want it. Turn this around this way so you can see. I'm gonna go over about 4 inches on each side. Cut it right about here. I think he said to go 1 inch. So that's my second, that's gonna be my second piece. My first piece is gonna be a little shorter. All right. So this piece I'm gonna put right here. I'm gonna use this little thing that it came with to peel off the plastic. And I'm gonna set it here on top of this. It's gonna be level with the edge. Push it down best I can with my hands, and then now we're gonna use our roller. If you bought the roller, use that here. I'm just gonna use my socket wrench, my socket. Just push down and roll it on. I would do this for at least a minute until you are confident it's down, and you can use any kind of rolly tool if you don't have the roller. Yeah, I wish I had the roller because this is putting little bumps in it, but that's okay. All right. We're gonna wipe with the alcohol again on this. I should have cut that piece off with the tape on it because now there's that adhesive there, but I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Now we're gonna put this piece on, but first we gotta spray. A couple of coats, and this time we're gonna overlap it onto the white part about 1 inch. All right, take off this plastic. Oh boy. Ah! I'm gonna lay this one 1 inch off, 1 inch onto the thing. That's what he told me to do. Push that down. Sure, it's not as good a job as he would do, but that's what I got. Roll it on. I think I'll get me one of those rollers. And that job should be done. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you, please let me know. I'd love to know when my videos are useful. Thanks, bye.